Hello students, hello viewers. I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to start. This topic is very much relevant today, and it's basically we are decoding Durga Puja or Lourdes. We are symbolizing Lourdes Durga with our modern women's or women's of our age today. Now let's begin. Now I'm beginning with a agomoni thing. So to make you more interactive or understand more things. So let's start. হিমের পরশ মনে লাগে, সবই যেন নতুন লাগে। আগমনীর খবর পেয়ে বনের পাখি উঠল গে, শিশির ভেজা নতুন ভোরে এবার পুজো সবার ঘরে। হিমের পরশ মনে জাগে, সবই যেন নতুন লাগে। আগমনীর খবর পেয়ে বনের পাখি উঠল গে, শিশির ভেজা নতুন ভোরে মা আসছেন আলো করে। So this was an agomoni thing which I took you all to make understand the thing. Now let's see how it decodes or symbolizes woman, or we are decoding our Lourdes Durga into our nowadays woman. Now it took a woman of many talents and power to triumph over evil. This story from our own mythology is peculiar or particularly signifies simply because it reminds us as a society of boundless vigor and tenacity of a woman, provided she is able to develop and own her skills. It is a former aspect of the aforementioned statement that it is especially relevant today, that a woman whose skills and powers are developed and nurtured is an unstoppable force. Okay, this is what we need to draw and learn from Durga story and apply it to our society. Not only does Goddess Durga serves as an icon for empowering women, her life presents many lessons from which we can learn, particularly with reference to women in society today. Okay. Now the power transformation. It is well known that Goddess Durga transformed herself into many different avatars depending on the needs and situations she presented with. Women may minor this threat is everyday life, soothingly, transitionally from wife to mother, from employee to sister. This dexterity ought to be treasured, celebrated and appreciated much more than it perhaps is. Okay, so it's basically encouraging our now women's. Now holistic strength, Durga also displays and demonstrates that she was strong of mind and amp body. She wasn't just a woman with a physical warrior, just as a woman, but she was an individual who has tremendous psychological resolves. Then this is an inevitable quality that is present in all women, something that ought to be applauded and amplified, and lessons learned therefrom. Now the collaborative action is, the reason Durga was able to overcome Mahishasur was because her endeavor to conquer him was the culmination of collaborative enterprises. All various gods who put her might and trusted in her helped her overcome the demon monster. In a real life too, women are naturally prone to draw from the people around them. If a woman is surrounded by people who are positive and encouraging, there are various or virtually no limit to height a woman can reach. Okay. Now facing fear, Durga was steadfast of purpose. She too had fears, but she didn't cower, choosing instead to face them and head on. She tamed a wild lion too. Herein is another great person for a young woman and girl across the country, to not to let fear determine their action, rather push them to confront and triumph. Okay. Now there comes a duality. Now Durga is one of the best examples of a single entity embodying ferocity as well as compassion. Durga's life, equal parts destroyer and creator. Durga's life and story provides invaluable learning for women of all ages. that within this them resides the ability to protector and the caregiver. So these are the ability or things which a woman has. They are the protector and also the caregiver. Okay, so these were the powers or features of Durga, icon Durga. But we women are also having these powers. We have to implement in our life. And this is basically a concept of women empowerment which I have decoded from Lourdes Durga. And this is very much important topic in sociology chapter. So you have to learn. Just I have given a tricky effect of agumoni things and all. So as you have locked down yourself in this lockdown and pandemic situation, I have just given you a situation of this Durga Puja thing. So I hope you have understood her, love this content. So thank you students and thank you viewers. Me signing off, Megha Shigundu.